Get a feel for the 2026 Subaru Outback. Here's a sure-footed Outback that delivers versatility, comfort, and peace of mind. The sky's the limit on every adventure in this down-to-earth companion. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, satellite radio, premium sound system, backup camera, power passenger seat, heated front seat, heated mirrors. Indulge your adventurous side in this well-equipped Outback. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.